Let's talk about a creative movement out of Sarajevo that's mixing tech with old school play. Parents everywhere are in this constant battle, right? Trying to get kids off their screens. So a brand from Sarajevo is using tech, but not as a distraction, as a bridge back to paper. Their whole model is buy once, print forever. It's a game changer for parents and teachers. This digital approach gets rid of the usual headaches: no waiting, no shipping, and no limits. But this is way more than just convenience. It's actually all about the science behind it. See, paper gives tactile feedback that boosts the cognitive index. Screens just can't do that. Their alphabet book is built on a very specific pedagogical idea called Pravilo 33, or Rule 33. Basically, it takes exactly 33 repetitions of a movement to lock it into muscle memory. And that's how kids develop the pincer grasp, the pincer grasp, which is key for writing. All right, let's check out their catalog. Each book is a tool for a specific developmental skill. Dino Premium, for instance, uses a kid's love for dinosaurs to build up STEM literacy. Then there's Farmer and Farm. Think of it as a 62-page digital detox for deep focus. Princess Lamia gets personal. Adding a child's name triggers the self-reference effect for better engagement. And get this, the SpongeBob book uses meme culture. It's for kids and, well, kidults too. But it's not just about the products. There's a really profound social mission here. This is Nevidljivi ožiljci, or Invisible Scars. It's a project tackling peer violence head-on. Its core message is powerful. Silence hurts more than words. It's about giving kids a voice. And it's not just about awareness. The book gives actual positive steps kids can take. So, what started as a movement in Sarajevo is now really taking off and going viral. They even use AI to animate the drawings, and it's blowing up on TikTok and YouTube. It really makes one wonder, if one drawing can do all this, what could this magic do for all of education?